Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to be looking at the all-new 2019 250 SDX. As you can see, on the swim platform, we have sea deck on the back. There's also a drop-down swim platform. And here in the back, a nice back lounger. So when you're sitting at the sandbar, just hanging out, the seat moves back and forth, and it's wraparound, which allows lots of room. These backrests flip forward and backwards, so you can sit aft facing or sit forward. But it's a nice big area for everybody to sit. Same thing with the driver's seat here, it flips forward and backwards. You also have a flip-up bolster. Here at the helm, have a nice tacks in this 250 SDX. Light controls, Fusion audio player. It's very nice. Here in the center, instead of having your typical center walkthrough, we have the bathroom. It also has a flip down, nice little area for the kids to hang out and get out of the sun for a little bit. This 25-foot sun deck has a side walkthrough, which actually allows more seating room up front. As you can see, it's nice and wide, opened up, kind of like a sun deck. Got a cooler underneath the front seat, as well as Fusion speakers throughout this entire boat. The flooring is an infinity woven flooring. It's snap in and out. There's multiple pieces. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax here in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop by and check out this boat or any of our other boats on our showroom floor today.